Your home means everything. And you don't just want it clean, you want it Kenmore clean. But cleaning new ultra plush carpets can be a chore with most vacuums. With traditional vacuums, downward suction can trap air, pulling the nozzle into dense carpet fibers, making it difficult to move and clean. But on this Kenmore Elite Canister Vacuum, the ultra plush nozzle automatically responds to carpet conditions, allowing effective cleaning on any carpet surface. Here's how it works. Automated inlets break the suction seal between the nozzle and carpet, requiring less effort to push and pull. At the same time, a stream of air is channeled under the agitator to help capture dirt and debris, leaving your carpet with a deeper clean. The swiveling power nozzle and low profile deliver incredible maneuverability wherever you need to vacuum. Convenient handle controls include variable power to protect delicate surfaces and an on-off bare floor switch, which makes multi-surface cleaning fast and easy. The Kenmore Elite Vacuum gives you the power, the performance, and all the tools you need. Easy-to-access onboard tools and a telescoping wand help you reach that hard-to-reach household dust. The convenient LED light built right into the wand lets you see what you're doing. And pet hair is no match for the motorized Pet PowerMate tool. The Kenmore Stair Grip feature lets you park the vacuum, so you can work easily and safely on the stairs, with a motorized tool that will get the job done. The power flow chamber keeps air flowing even as the bag fills to provide steady, powerful suction. A convenient indicator even tells you when the bag is full. And if you're tired of all the mess and dust that goes with bagless vacuums, you'll love the no-fuss bags. Easy to use and so easy to dispose of, helping remove allergens, irritants, and pollutants in your home. The Kenmore Elite Canister Vacuum with Ultra Plush nozzle technology. No surface left unclean, even ultra plush carpets, when it's Kenmore clean.
Your kitchen is the center point of your home, so your hard floors are often full of life's little messes. Having a more efficient and convenient cleaning tool leaves you more time to do the things you love. The Hard Floor Expert Deluxe from Bissell is designed to be gentle on your hard floors, but tough on dirt and debris. Hard Floor Expert Deluxe features a turbine hard floor dusting tool designed with soft bristles to safely pick up dirt and fine debris. Hard Floor Expert Deluxe maximizes cleaning with powerful suction, but with its non-marring wheels, you can clean without scratches, scuffs, or marks, leaving your floors looking their best. For the more delicate surfaces in your home, Hard Floor Expert Deluxe is equipped with variable suction, so with a touch of the fingertip controls, you can quickly and conveniently adjust your cleaning power. Hard Floor Expert Deluxe has been engineered with the features that matter, so you can maximize the cleaning of the hard floors you love in one compact, easily storable unit. Hard Floor Expert Deluxe, designed with your home in mind.
This is our SEB 236, very similar to our SEB 228 in both performance and functionality. However, the 236 has some beautiful design elements and some convenience features that you have to see in action. All right, girls, give me some room to work. Scoot, I'll feed you later. Go.
The SEB 236 has an elegant LED headlight that will assure nothing will escape. The SEB 236 has an automatic standby switch. By simply lifting the handle, the power nozzle will automatically turn itself off. I then simply remove what's in the way, release the handle back, and the power nozzle will automatically start. Now, if I accidentally vacuum something that I shouldn't, it's not a problem. The SEB 236 will automatically turn itself off. I simply hit the reset switch, and back to work I go.